Welcome to
Math Problems number 164.
Math Problems 164. I hope we make it through this film. It looks like our camera's on its last legs. But it lasted for 5 years, so I guess that's good. Okay, so today we start talking about ratios, right?
Yeah.
And when we were talking about ratios, we were talking about groups. So we had like a group here, whatever this group was, and we had a group over here, and we said the ratio was 5
to 4.
to 4, and I wrote it with this little colon. See what I did with my eraser? Here's one. Okay. And they gave an example like with classes with boys and girls, like maybe your karate class, for example. Maybe your karate class has like a lot of dots. Maybe it has, I don't know, 15 girls and 20 boys, maybe?
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
Probably.
Okay, so one thing we could say is the ratio of boys to girls was 15 to 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, but we can simplify that.
We can simplify that, just like we could simplify a fraction. And so what does that mean when we simplify this? What would it simplify to?
It was simplified 3 to 4.
3 to 4. Okay. So this would mean if you had 35 total people in your karate class.
Yeah. It would simplify. This is simplified into 3.
Right, you could group it, and I'm going to make the girls be circles and the boys be squares.
Mm-hmm.
I could group the 35 people into groups of 7.
Yeah.
There would be one group. There would be another group. How many groups of 7 would I have?
I think you would have 5. You would have 5 groups.
5 groups of 7. Okay, so this is just a very convenient words for talking about how the number of people relate to each other.
Yeah.
So 15 to 20 would be as everyone was all standing together.
Yeah, and then that would be 3 to 4.
3 to 4 is the same thing, and that you could see it visually by saying, hey, we could break up into 5 groups, each having 3 girls and 4 boys.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But the one interesting thing about ratios is because these are the same, 15 to 20 and 3 to 4,
Yeah.
you can't ever tell when someone just gives you a ratio how many people you have. If I said your karate class has 3 girls to every 4 boys, you don't know that there would be 35 people in the class.
No.
There might be 7. What other number might there be?
There could be 14.
It could be 14, and that's what we have drawn on the board. The ratios are really useful, and we're going to see lots of different examples of ratios over the next couple of days. All right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job this morning, sweetie. Hopefully that recorded.